If you like to travel and now you want to share your travel moments with the world, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a travel blog where you can upload your travel moments, share them with the world, and also earn from them actually. So to get started, we're going to use a free site called Blogger where we can create our website for free without any cost. You don't have to pay for hosting or anything, and you can also monetize the website and earn from it. So the first step is to go to Google and search for Blogger. So once you search for Blogger, you see this first link, which is blogger.com. Open it, and then make sure you first sign in with your Google account. After you click on sign in, then click on create your blog. So I already have a blog account, that's why I'm not going to use here, but I will actually open my Blogger dashboard, and then I'll click on here where I have some blogs. And by the way, we already created a magazine blog on this channel. If you like to create a magazine website, you can actually watch this video, the link will be in the description. Then now we are going to click on new blog, and then this will bring you to the same page that the create your blog button will also bring you. So now, since we are on a common ground, we enter our blog title, the name that we would like to give our blog. So I would like to call this one Travel Tutorial. Then click next, then give a blog address, which will be like the domain name or the URL for your blog. So this is the one that people will use to actually access your blog. At first it will be a .blogspot.com subdomain, but later you can actually go ahead and customize it. If you want to learn more about such kind of thing, I have a blogger course on my YouTube channel where you can go and then click on the view playlists on the blogger course. Then you can watch through all these videos to get more knowledge about how you can make your blogger website the best actually. So now let's give it an address. I'm going to use et, then travel blog, Okay, you see, sorry, this blog address is not available. Someone already used et travel blog, so I'm going to add maybe tutorial. Now we see this blog address is available. Click save, and our blog is now created. So what we do next is to click on the view blog URL down here, then it will open a new tab and show you your blog. So right now the blog is looking like this, but this doesn't look so good. So what we are going to do is to actually use a custom template. So to use a custom template, we come to Google and search for B templates. Then we open this first link, which takes us to btemplates.com. At btemplates, now we can search for some free blogger templates that actually look better. So now I'm going to search for travel up here. Then you can choose any of these that looks good to you. In my case, I'm going to use Travel Pro, this one here. You can click on demo to view how the template will look when you actually apply it on your site, and if you like it, then you can go ahead and download it. So this is how the site will look if I use this template, and to me it looks good enough, so this is the one I'm going to use for this tutorial, but you can use any other of your choice from here. So I'm going to come here to the Travel Pro, then click on download, then free download. So it will download the template as a zip file, then we'll go ahead and extract it. So once the download is complete, now we open our file explorer and go to the downloads folder. Then once we are in the downloads folder, we go to that zip file, which is travelpro.zip. Right click. I actually already have this folder and first delete it. So that right click on your travelpro.zip file, then you have to extract it. You can just use extract all, or I'm going to use WinRAR to extract it to a folder named travelpro. Once now this is extracted, the folder is here. When you open it and continue inside, you see there's a file called travelpro.xml. If you don't have file extensions enabled, you may not see .xml, you may just see travelpro, and then the file type will be XML document. So that's the file we are interested in. Now to apply that file, come to our Blogger dashboard here, then go to theme, click on customize, then click on restore. Now we are going to upload that file. Click on upload. The next thing you do here, when this file chooser opens, click on your downloads folder, then click on that travelpro, open, then click on that travelpro file, XML file, click on open, then the file will be uploaded. So once you see that restored theme, now you can go ahead and view your blog again to see how it is looking like. And for sure now our blog looks good. Travel tutorial, there's a home page, some other widgets that are provided, and so far we have no posts. So what we do now, let's go ahead and create our first Blogger post, actually, which will be our first post on this travel tutorial blog. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate a blog post. So go to posts, then click on new post up here, then choose a title for your post. I'm going to use ChatGPT, as I already told you I am. So the title for me will be discovering this with okay, this I will pretend it was a travel to Europe, so that will be my title. Then I come to the body of the page, then copy this, should be good enough. Just see, copy it, then I paste it here. So I've pasted my content in here, but sometimes when you copy from ChatGPT, you may just have a black background attached to the text that you copied. So if that is the case, you just have to use Ctrl+Shift+V when pasting, and that will save you. So if I use Ctrl+Shift+V, it will paste my text in plain text format without any formatting. Maybe the headings will not be bold as previously, so I have to go ahead and bold them manually. So to make the headings bold, just highlight it, same as we do in document editors, then click on click on this one, then you can choose if it is a heading like that, choose heading, like that, and then the headings will be bold. You can also use this bold button here to make the text bold without making it a heading. Yeah, so that is it. Now let's select all this text and we are going to apply a custom font that looks nice. So click on the fonts here, then you can choose any of the fonts available here, and if the font you are interested in is not listed, click on add more fonts and choose any font from here. I'm going to use a font called Overpass. I can search for it, Overpass, then select it, then go back to the font, then choose your font. Now this looks better. So I'm going to add a feature image to this blog post. So I come to the top here, I can insert image and upload, then I browse, go to my downloads. I downloaded some image here, then upload it. Once it is uploaded, I'll go ahead and set it the blog here. Then you can resize it Yeah, so this is it. See, now our post is looking okay. Now on the right side here you can see the label section. So this is what you can use to actually group your posts. Maybe I can label this Europe, and next time I create a post that has a label called Europe, then I can group all these posts under the Europe section. So now we go ahead and publish. Click on publish, then confirm. This post will be added to your blog. So when you click on view here, you'll be able to see your post, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, it looks good enough. So if we come back here and click on view blog to view the home page of our site, see, now we have one post and people can actually come here, leave you comments, and you see the category is Europe, and then you can click read more to view more of this post. So if you want to make your website better than actually this, and also learn how you can monetize it and earn from it, just come to my YouTube channel. There's a playlist here called Blogger Course. Click on view full playlist, then all these videos you will find them helpful. There's also how to add Google AdSense, set a custom domain, and everything is here. So if you found the video helpful, click the like button, and if you are new to the channel, or if you have been out here and you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button.